Yawn and Stretch relaxation exercise is a quick relaxation technique that you can do anytime, anywhere to relax. Have you ever noticed that dogs yawn when they're nervous? There is a good reason. Yawning triggers relaxation. Dogs yawn to help calm themselves down in stressful situations. A yawn forces you to take a deep breath, slow down the breathing, and to exhale fully. This counteracts the fast, shallow breathing experienced as a symptom of stress and anxiety. Stretching is effective in lengthening the muscles, the opposite of short, tensed muscles. Let's try it. Open your mouth wide. Yawn loudly with a big sigh. And stretch your arms above your head and out to the sides. Make sure to stretch out the back and shoulder muscles, key places where tension can build up. Here is a quick guided yawn and stretch. Get ready by rotating your shoulders and shaking your shoulders and arms. This will help to loosen up tight muscles. Now open your mouth and start to breathe in. Open your mouth wider, and open the back of your throat. Feel the breathing passages opening. Your ears may even pop. Allow the yawn to arrive as you inhale, and then complete the yawn by breathing out loudly with a sigh. Take a few slow, deep breaths. Breathe in and out. In and out. In, out. Now yawn again, and as you inhale with your mouth open wide, stretch your arms out and up. Stretch your muscles as you yawn. Allow your arms to drop back to your sides as you breathe out with a sigh. Notice how much more relaxed and calm you feel.